2 days of wasted time. Never had this happen, ever, never. It's like the gear, it's stuck on the camshaft, the gear of the distributor. I know you're filming me, Caleb. I really don't want the camera on me right now. Caleb can't hear me. He will in the edits. I'm just done. I can't get the distributor out. I literally cannot get the distributor out. Shut that off.